Through our seamless integration with Zoom, you have the capability to effortlessly schedule and manage online meetings via audio, chat, and/or video calls. Stay tuned and discover just how easy it is to configure this in Trafft. Let's start by activating this integration. Go to Settings, Features and Integrations and scroll all the way down to find the Zoom integration. Activate it and then click the Configure button. Right away you'll see the option to connect an account. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the Zoom sign-in screen. Sign in and you'll soon be redirected back to our Zoom integration page, where you'll observe that the Connect Account button has transformed into Disconnect Account. Now, as you scroll down, you'll come across two additional options. Allow employees to sign in with personal Zoom accounts. This option allows your employees to connect their personal Zoom accounts with their profile. If you keep the option disabled, it means only you will have the ability to link your employees with Zoom users within your Zoom account. If this is enabled, employees will be able to connect their profiles with their Zoom users in their individual Zoom accounts. This way, you won't require the paid Zoom plan, but your Zoom users and meetings won't be consolidated within a single account. Under Meeting Title, you can set a title for the meeting that will be displayed in Zoom. Below this field, you will find drop-downs with options to select different placeholders. These placeholders can be inserted into the meeting title with a single click and will be replaced with actual data once the meeting is created. Under Meeting Agenda, you can set an agenda that will be displayed in Zoom. Choose the desired information from the drop-downs to be included in the agenda. When the meeting is created, the placeholders will be replaced with real information. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of your employees, allowing you to link each employee to their respective Zoom user. It's important to note that each employee account can only be connected to one Zoom user. Additionally, if you enable the Allow Employees to Sign in with Personal Zoom Accounts option, your employees will have the choice to link their personal Zoom accounts when configuring their profiles. Within their profiles, they can access the Integration section in the side menu, and from there they will have the option to connect their personal Zoom accounts. Now, to set up notifications with Zoom links, follow these steps. After configuring your Zoom settings, there's one more essential task to ensure your customers and employees receive links to the Zoom meetings through notifications. So go back to the Settings section and access Email Notifications. Within the Appointment Placeholders, found in the Appointment dropdown, you'll find the option to insert the Zoom Join URL for customer notifications and the Zoom Host URL for employee notifications. In addition to sending the Zoom link through notifications, you can also locate it within the appointment details. When you access the Appointments page, distinguishing between online and offline appointments is straightforward. Simply glance at the appointment list, and you'll notice that each online appointment is marked with a camera icon next to the service name. Click the appointment with the camera icon, and within the appointment details, you'll find it easy to view and copy both the host and join links. When you link the first employee with a Zoom user, an online Zoom location is automatically generated on your Locations page. This feature is primarily designed for businesses that offer services through both physical and online locations, allowing users to select their preferred option during the booking process. To set up online meeting availability for your employees, follow these steps. Select an employee and within their working hours, designate the online meeting Zoom location. This will enable the employee to offer services online. If the employee exclusively provides online services, you can choose the online meeting as the default location, which will be applied to all created working hours. Always remember to save the changes when adjusting the settings. We wish you many bookings.